Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of tasty and spicy egg curry or egg masala. Let's start with the recipe. Boil eggs and give 2 slits on top of each egg. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Once you've mixed it, heat a pan and add some oil. I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the eggs. Fry the eggs in low flame or heat because we want all the masalas or the spice powders to incorporate into the eggs. We don't want the eggs to be crispy on the outer part. So I've just fried it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it is done, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Heat another pan and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in 1 bay leaf and 1 cinnamon, 2 cloves and 1 cardamom and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Saute for a minute and add 1 medium-sized onion which I've chopped. Saute for a minute and then let's add in 8 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger which I've chopped. Saute it until the onions turn golden brown. Now it has turned golden brown. It's time to add 2 tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Saute it for a bit and you can cook it for 5 minutes in low flame or heat. In 5 minutes now, you can see all have sauteed well. Add in 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Give a quick mix. Close it with the lid and cook for about just 1 minute. So after a minute, you can take it out and cool it down for some time and make it into a fine paste in the blender. So the fine paste is ready. Heat a pan and add in this paste. No need to add any oil now. Saute it for a minute. Add in 3/4 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 3/4 tablespoons of coriander powder. Give it a quick mix and add some water for it to boil. Mix it well. Add some salt. Give it a quick mix. Cook for about 15 minutes in medium flame or heat by closing the lid. It's been 15 minutes now. So the gravy is coming out well. Give it a quick mix so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you like this consistency, you can just stop it. But I need a little bit thick, so I've just cooked for about extra 3 or 4 minutes. And for the tempering, add in 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 dry red chilli. Saute for a minute. Once it has sauteed well, add in this whole mixture and give it a quick mix. Add in the fried eggs and just give it a quick mix and saute for about a minute or 2. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now the spicy and yummy egg curry or egg masala is ready. This egg curry or egg masala goes well with chapathi, roti, poori, naan, dosa, and it goes really well with boiled rice. Thanks for watching the video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.